Hi, this is Diana with AED Brands, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your pads and batteries for your Zoll AED Plus. Let's see how it's done. We'll start by replacing your batteries. We'll turn the device over to where you can see these notches here and here. And then you'll take a flathead screwdriver or a car key or whatever you prefer. Insert it in the notch, push until you hear a click. And then the other one, same thing. And then you'll take your screwdriver and put it in one of these notches and wedge it up. You can place your lid to the side. You'll take out your batteries in no particular order. And these batteries do need to be recycled. You can place them to the side. We'll get your new batteries and you'll put them into your device, starting with the left side, then the right side, and then the two center ones. Once you get your batteries in, you'll be prompted to press this button. That prompt could come immediately, or it could take a minute, but it's very important that you wait until you hear that prompt and then press the button.
Adult pad, automatic defibrillator. If new batteries, press button.
Now you can press the button. And you'll take your lid and slide it back onto your device and press until you hear a click. Now that you've successfully replaced your batteries, we'll move on to the pads. You'll need to open your device right here. Just pull it up. You can place your lid to the side. You'll take your pads, unplug them, and you can just throw these away. And you'll take your new pads, plug them into your device, and wrap the cord under so it doesn't get caught. And I also like to tuck my corners under to make the lid easier to close. You might also want to run this yellow strip through your lid so that your expiration date is visible. Then you can close your lid. Just press it until you hear a click. It might be a little tough. And now that you've successfully replaced your batteries and pads, your AED should be rescue ready. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any other questions concerning your AED, give us a call because we're in it for life.